Welcome to today's review on LaserPecker LX2 40W Laser Cutter Engraver. This is a powerful machine built for creators and businesses looking for precision. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this laser cutter engraver at the best price in the market. This device stands out for its speed and versatility, and it is designed to handle both simple and advanced engraving tasks with ease. The build quality feels solid and the system is engineered for long-term use. It offers fast performance that helps users complete projects in less time while maintaining strong detail quality. The engraving results are clean and accurate even on complex materials like metalwood and acrylic. One of its strongest advantages is the high-speed capability, which allows large-scale production without slowing down workflow. The integrated camera system makes positioning simple and reduces mistakes during setup. It is suitable for beginners and professionals because it balances automation with manual control options. The machine also supports batch processing, which is useful for business users handling multiple items at once. Another benefit is the modular laser system, which allows users to switch configurations based on project needs. This flexibility makes it useful for a wide range of applications, including custom gift signage and industrial marking. The working area is large enough for bigger projects while still maintaining a compact footprint that fits small workspaces. Safety is also a key focus with multiple protective systems built into the design. Users can operate it with confidence knowing that it includes emergency controls and monitoring features. On the positive side, the machine delivers excellent speed accuracy and consistent output across different materials. It is especially useful for users who need professional results without outsourcing production. However, it does come at a higher price point, which may not be suitable for casual users. Some beginners may also require time to fully understand all the advanced features. Despite this, the learning curve is manageable and support resources help guide new users. The system is highly reliable once set up properly, and it performs consistently over long sessions. It is a strong investment for small businesses looking to scale production and improve efficiency. The engraving quality remains sharp even during continuous operation, which makes it dependable for commercial use. The combination of speed, precision, and automation gives it a competitive advantage in the laser engraving market. It is designed for users who want both creative freedom and production capability in one system. The camera-guided alignment reduces waste and improves accuracy, which saves both time and material costs. Overall, it delivers a professional experience that can significantly upgrade workflow efficiency. For anyone serious about engraving, this machine offers strong long-term value and performance. It is recommended for custom shops, designers, and makers who want consistent output and scalability. You can find the purchase link in the description below to get the best deal available. Make sure to check it before making your decision to avoid missing out on this opportunity. The system combines durability, smart features, and high-speed output in one package, making it a complete solution for modern engraving needs. It is a powerful tool for both creative projects and business production environments, delivering reliable results every time.